Now that we have our house price model pushed into production, we can set up the process of regular batch inference. Let's say that every month we want to retrieve new listings and predict their sale prices. We're going to run this notebook interactively here, but of course we'd really want to schedule the notebook to run on a monthly basis using notebook schedulers or cron. So first, we'll connect to the platform and to the house pricing workspace. Then we will find and deploy the housing pipe pipeline that we created in the last notebook. And we'll pull the previous month's worth of new house listings and submit them to the pipeline. So here we can see that we've got about 10,000 listings, and we'll pass them to our pipeline. And here I'm just confirming that we got all our predictions back. Now that we have the predicted prices, we can push them to a staging table in the database, keyed by the listing ID, which we can get from our input data. And once they're in the staging table, they can be verified or checked if that's necessary, and then eventually joined back into the house listings table. And here I'll just show the top of the staging table to show you what it looks like. Here are the predicted prices keyed by the listing ID. And once we've done that, we can close our database connection and undeploy the pipeline to reduce resources. And now we've demonstrated taking a model from the experimentation and exploration stage all the way up to running it in production using notebooks and Wallaroo. Thank you very much.